this time, I heard it sounded like someone pitter-pattering down the hallway, like little feet. And Marley is hiding in the corner now. Yeah, he won't even get on the couch with me. He's literally hiding in the corner. Let's go look and see what it is now. Poor dog. Come on, buddy. Come on, mama. I'm scaring you, huh? Oh my God, what's scaring him? Come on, come on, come on, come on, mommy. Come on. He won't even come down the hallway. Come on. Come on, mommy. Come on. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Look at his ears all down. Look, his ears are cowering down. There were nowhere. And he won't even come down the hallway with me. Look at that shit. He sees something. He definitely sees something. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Okay. He won't even come. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, mama. Come on. See, that's weird. Oh, he said, hell no. He said, I'm out of here, Mom. Can you believe that? He just left me like that? What's down this hallway? What the hell? Come on. Let me check out this freaking bathroom. Oh, the bathroom door is shut. What does he see that I don't? You'll see, he wouldn't even come down the hallway with me. Like his ears went straight down, and that was it. Let's see what my son's doing. My son's sleeping. My room's a mess. Did you hear? He didn't hear nothing. Let me see. Okay. What's down this freaking hallway? I can't believe his ears went down like that. And he wouldn't even. Usually he'll follow me anywhere. But I say, come on, he comes. He would not even go past that door. Or the wall. He would not even go past the freaking wall. See, he's acting really weird. He was weird enough to jump on my face at 5:30 in the morning. Crying and scaring the shit out of me. Then he hid in that corner right there. He wouldn't even get on the couch with me. He wouldn't even go down the hallway. What the hell's going on? This is getting ridiculous. It's exhausting. It's tiring. I'm drained. It's wearing me out. I'm just trying to see if I can catch something besides the crap little orbs. There's another one. The air's off. It's not running. The refrigerator finally shut the hell up. Oh, there went one. Hello. Like, they're just flying all over the goddamn place. What is down this hallway, man? I have no idea. I have no freaking idea. I left the bathroom door open so I could see any of the things. Like, I honestly don't know. That looked like a shadow in the bathroom forming. Like a real short one. Am I seeing shit? I think I'm just tired. Oh, getting blurry. See, I don't know. I don't like bathrooms. They creep me out. Bathrooms definitely creep me out. I can't see that with my eyes. With my naked eyes dark. When I look in there, I can barely see in the bathroom. With this, I can see a little bit. Let me zoom in. Okay. It's just the door, I think. I mean, it made it, like, extra blurry, but at least if it was, like, a shadow figure or something, I'd be able to see it. See, it looks real short. Like, it's, like, right there. I don't know. Maybe I'm just seeing shit. Probably just seeing stuff. Getting paranoid. I'm only getting paranoid because of the way my dog's acting. Like, he's acting crazy. That's my husband snoring. talking in his sleep. I don't know, guys. I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't know.